Welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about the different types of operating systems in a simple and easy way. Let us start with the first type. Firstly, batch operating system. A batch operating system is one of the earliest types of operating systems. In this system, users do not directly interact with the computer while programs are running. Instead, similar jobs are collected together into groups called batches and executed automatically one after another. Now let us understand how it works. Users submit jobs to the system. Jobs with similar requirements are grouped together. Then, the CPU processes all the jobs sequentially. Some important features of batch operating system are: automatic job processing, no direct user interaction, suitable for repetitive work. Advantages include better CPU utilization, reduced setup time, efficient handling of repetitive tasks. However, it also has some disadvantages: long waiting time, difficult to debug errors, no immediate response. Applications of batch operating system include payroll systems, bank statement generation, billing systems. For example, if a company wants to process salaries for thousands of employees, all salary jobs are grouped together and processed as a batch. Now let us move to the second type, time-sharing operating system. A time-sharing operating system allows many users to use a computer system at the same time. The CPU gives a small amount of time, called a time slice, to each user or process. Because this switching happens very quickly, users feel they are using the system continuously. Working of time-sharing operating system. CPU switches rapidly between users. Each user gets equal CPU time. Features include multi-user environment, fast response time, interactive processing. Advantages are better resource sharing, quick response, efficient CPU usage. Disadvantages include security problems may occur, requires advanced hardware, performance decreases with too many users. Applications include university computer labs, shared servers, online systems. Examples are Linux and Unix. A real-life example is students using computers simultaneously in a computer lab. Now let us discuss the third type, distributed operating system. A distributed operating system connects multiple independent computers and makes them appear as a single system. All systems communicate and share tasks through a network. Working. Multiple computers share processing work. Tasks are divided among systems. Results are combined together. Features: resource sharing, parallel processing, high-speed computation. Advantages: faster processing, load balancing, improved reliability. Disadvantages: complex design, difficult maintenance. Network failure affects the system. Applications: cloud computing, scientific research, distributed databases. A real-life example is Google servers working together worldwide to process searches. Now moving to the fourth type, network operating system. A network operating system manages computers connected through a network. It allows sharing of files, printers, applications, and internet resources. Working. A central server controls the network. Users access shared resources through the server. Features: centralized administration, remote access, user authentication and security. Advantages: easy communication, resource sharing, centralized data backup. Disadvantages: expensive setup, server dependency, network failure affects users. Applications: schools, offices, banks, companies. Examples include Windows Server and Novell NetWare. A real-life example is multiple office computers connected to one printer using a server. Now let us discuss the fifth type, real-time operating system, also called RTOS. A real-time operating system gives immediate responses within a fixed time limit. It is mainly used in critical applications where delays are unacceptable. There are two types of RTOS. Hard real-time system. Deadlines must always be met. Example: air traffic control systems. Soft real-time system. Small delays are acceptable. Example: online video streaming. Features: fast response, high reliability, accurate timing. Advantages: stable performance, immediate processing, suitable for critical systems. Disadvantages: complex programming, expensive development. Applications: robotics, medical systems, industrial automation, missile systems. A real-life example is a heart monitoring machine in hospitals, which must respond immediately without delay. Finally, let us discuss the sixth type: multiprocessing operating system. A multiprocessing operating system uses multiple processors, or CPUs, simultaneously. This increases the speed and efficiency of the system. Working: multiple CPUs work together. Tasks are divided among processors. There are two types: symmetric multiprocessing. All processors perform equal tasks. Asymmetric multiprocessing. One processor controls the others. Features: parallel execution, better performance, increased reliability. Advantages: faster processing, better multitasking, high throughput. Disadvantages: expensive hardware, complex system management. Applications: supercomputers, gaming systems, modern servers. A real-life example is modern gaming PCs using multiple cores to run games, streaming, and applications together. So these are the first 6 types of operating systems. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more tutorials and comment below on which subject you want next.